Good morning guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you're all doing really well today. So as you can see, we're decorating for Christmas. I know that it's a little bit early. A lot of you don't start decorating until December, but I thought I'll just put it up early and give you guys some decor inspiration if you're still doing some shopping and you're not sure what theme to go for. So my theme for the living room is a winter wonderland snowy theme. I just love all of the neutrals, white, silvers, golds. It's just so pretty. I had this theme last year in the living room as well, so I'm just going to stick with that, but try and decorate a little bit differently to last year just to give you some different ideas. Each room in my house is going to be decorated differently. So the kitchen I think is going to be a little bit more traditional with the reds, and then in the bedroom it's going to be like red and green. So there's a few different themes going to be going on throughout my house, but this one is definitely just going to be the winter wonderland. So I'm going to start off with my Christmas tree, sticking on the ribbon, popping on all of the baubles and hanging decorations, and then we can go from there. So this is how the tree turned out and I love it. I think it's so pretty, but I do have to admit I actually don't enjoy putting the ribbon on the tree, but it takes your tree to the next level. So I definitely recommend using ribbon, even though it can be a little bit of a challenge sometimes, but I really like how it turned out. So I'm just gonna whiz around now, wipe down all the sides, and we can start decorating the TV stand, the shelves, and just make everything super cozy.
Making sure you've been behaving okay. Merry Christmas, honey. Yeah. The snowman's dusting off his hat, putting on the show for everybody, to give them a smile that lasts another year. There's something that happens when sleigh bells are ringing, when December is, when the children are singing, yeah. It's Merry Christmas, baby. Ooh, yeah. There's room at the table for big and for small. All the fire is popping, the chestnuts are cracking, yeah. Merry Christmas, baby. Merry Christmas, baby. The snow is laying 2 feet deep. Now wish upon a falling star, so all your secret dreams can come true. There's something that happens when sleigh bells are ringing, when December is, when the children are singing, yeah. It's Merry Christmas, baby. Ooh, yeah. There's room at the table for big and for small. All the fire is popping, the chestnuts are cracking, yeah.
So as you can tell from the outfit change, it's now the next day. I was losing light so quickly and I didn't want to rush it. I just wanted to take my time. So I carried it on the next day, and I'm just going to do the coffee table and the shelves and just carry on making it all nice and cozy. I just love how everything turned out.
It's Merry Christmas, baby. Merry Christmas, baby. It's Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. It's Merry Christmas, baby.
snow is said to fall today. It comes to say that Christmas is on its merry way, and for every single child there's a gift on Santa's sleigh. The first flake of snow is said to fall today. The first snow this winter is promised for this day. It brings a hope of peace, both near and far away. It says we can live together and that we can find a way. The first snow this Christmas is promised for this day.
So I was really struggling with this corner. I really like that red blanket, but because I'm not using red anywhere else in this room, it was really throwing me and it just didn't suit the space at all. So I decided to change it out. I actually completely forgot that I bought a new blanket from Primark a few weeks ago, so I swapped out for that one. And the bedroom this year I think is going to be red and green and just more traditional, so I'm definitely still going to be using that blanket but upstairs. So as you can see, I'm just going to swap it out with my other new one and it just looks so much better.
Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday.
So that brings us to the end of today's video. I really hope that you've enjoyed it. I have loved every second of decorating. It's feeling super cozy and festive. So do go ahead and subscribe if you've enjoyed it. And also click that notification bell so you don't miss any of my future uploads, because I do have a lot more decorating to come. Also leave today's video a thumbs up and I'll see you guys back here in my next one.
Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close, forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree, and I've lit my house with Christmas lights, so you should come.